KB5121003. Fix games crashing, freezing, and PC restarting after August update. 1. Check Windows Update history. Open Settings, Windows Update, Update History. Confirm that KB5121003 was installed around the time the crashes started. Microsoft lists game unresponsiveness, unexpected game closing, and system restarts as a known issue. Part 2. Uninstall KB5121003. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Update History, Uninstall Updates. Find KB5121003. Click Uninstall, then restart your PC. Recent Reddit reports say this stopped crashes for some players. Number 3. Pause Windows Updates temporarily. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Select Pause Updates. This helps prevent the problematic update from immediately reinstalling while you test the game. 2. Check for inputx64.sys. Microsoft says the known issue can involve RGB peripheral software components using files similar to inputx64. Affected games include Arc Raiders, Marvel Tokon, Fighting Souls, and the Finals. Check whether your RGB peripheral utilities installed an inputx64 component. 3. Apply the official game-specific workaround. For affected games such as Arc Raiders, Embark published a workaround involving the inputx64 service and file. Use the game's official support instructions rather than deleting unrelated Windows system files. 4. Update RGB and peripheral software. Update your motherboard RGB utility, keyboard, mouse software, fan control software, and other hardware utilities. Restart Windows after updating. 5. Clean reinstall your GPU driver. Install the latest stable NVIDIA, AMD, Intel graphics driver from the manufacturer's official website. During installation, choose the Clean Factory Reset option when available. Restart the PC afterward. 6. Verify the game files. In Steam, Epic/Xbox app, run the game's Verify Repair option. This can repair files damaged or left inconsistent after an update. 7. Clear shader cache. Clear the GPU shader cache through your graphics driver settings or Windows-supported cleanup options. Launch the game again and allow shaders to rebuild. 8. Test without overlays and extra tweaks. Temporarily disable Discord, Steam, NVIDIA, AMD overlays, and RGB monitoring overlays. Also return GPU, CPU overclocks or undervolts to default settings while troubleshooting. Important, Microsoft has confirmed KB5121003's game-related issue and is investigating the interaction with certain RGB-related components.